Beenie Man and Bounty Killer omitted from the Versus series cover post. Wow, what a situation, and this has not gone down well with the fans of dancehall music. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. What a situation played out the other day after Beenie Man and Bounty Killer was omitted from the Versus series poster. Can you believe this? After these two individuals garnered so much recognition and made the Versus series into what it is today, garnering over 1 million views in a matter of a few days after they hosted their reggae section and dancehall section on the major platform. I believe it was a slap in the face for dancehall music, and I've said it over and over again. Our music is underrated significantly right across the world, and they are trying to keep us in our music in a shell for it not to excel, in the sense that it can propel over into the mainstream of the music. And our music has been there, it has done it. However, the numbers are being hiding so far, and we are not getting the real facts as it relates to the true numbers that are being selling for major artists. When you look on our top artists, we have man like Sean Paul that have done it, Shaggy that have done it. There you have Charlie Blacks that is doing it right now, and a number of artists has propelled them name over into the mainstream of the music, and the recognition that they get is just so damn. They don't get that level of recognition that I believe that they should be getting. And when you look on the situation, our music is so powerful. Just look, we have two music behind us. We have the reggae music, we have dancehall music, and it just goes to show you we have such artists that I don't believe they are getting the international recognition that they deserve. Artists such like Sanchez, you have Verus, you have Freddie McGregor. These are some top reggae singers. You have tough dancehall artists, really tough, wicked dancehall artists that have you lyrically hooked to their music, and they're not getting that level of recognition. So when we look on this situation that played out in the Versus series, I'm not accepting it as a mistake. I believe it was a mere slap in the face for dancehall music, based on the fact that they don't recognize our music that much on the international market. And it's not that they don't recognize it, I believe that they do recognize it, but they want to keep it at a certain level. And I know that our music is steadily developing, and based on the fact that most of these publishing companies are in the United States, and it just goes to show you that they don't really support our music that much. What I see happening over the past few years is a trend developing amongst the Jamaican dancehall singers and the international singers. Once Jamaicans have a hit song and they realize that that song is shot in the road, then you realize that you have this top international artist now come remix the song with them and get that hype from the song that was already a hit. Then they make it seem like they made the song a hit. The song was already a hit without you even venturing on a track. So that's what is going on. We've seen many artists teaming up with international stars in order to do songs. We've seen Sean Paul done it, Beenie Man done it, Bunty, Lady Saw, Egyptian, and I could name a few more. As it relates to that. And we've seen them teaming up with these international stars just in order to propel the reggae music or the dancehall music on that stage. But when we look and we see what's going on, it's very clear that they are just using our music in order to cement themselves in the Caribbean market. It is not really about the love that they have for the music, it's about what they can get from the music. Today, no other international series that you see just held what Beenie Man and Bounty Killer over 500,000 why they did not include them on the tuning in to watch just Beenie Man Bounty Killer this week. It's after they saw people venting on social media and stating about the Verus this and that. Then you see they just get 2 photos from Google and just drop Beenie Man and Bounty on the front of it. I believe it was social media platforms to the 2 artists. And you have after they got so much recognition on the Verus series, and I know that Bounty Killer generated for the Verus, and I know that our music is number one of those music that has gotten so much recognition. So why they were not included when you look on the Verus achievement of our great that was released, it's very sad. I can't see how our music is still at coming out and being medium level. They weren't a part of it. And it was music is slapped in the right side of the face, music right in the left side of the face, and we have punching the nose and we're dancing this situation. However, in more than one instance, so fans of dancehall legend Beenie Man and Bounty Killer reacted so they corrected the error and put this poster laid instead to the Billboard magazine that was not acceptable because the digital it's already been done. The 2 artists right across the road are angry about the whole entire situation. Beenie Man and Bounty Killer did not include the dancehall images in there. You can see that they were that not really in agreement with them not being on it, and this has just gone down not well with the entire media fraternity and the entire music fraternity, as a number of fans have took to social media just in order to blast them about the situation. But one thing I want to say, this is where you know that now our music needs to unite, and we need to put ourselves in a position where we can create our brand and put our brand out there as dancehall and reggae music. Depend on international publishing companies and international music streaming platform to do this for us. This is where now we see that they are underrating us. They just use us in order to get their followings up, or just use us in order to get their popularity right across the Caribbean. So we now really need to look at this as a situation and find ways and means of creating our local music system more and developing it more, so we can sustain our own music and put it out there to the world. We don't need international people to do this for us. We have all the artillery right here in Jamaica in order to do this. We just need to just cement ourselves and get ourselves in that positive frame of mind, and then you will see how successful we can be at this. Our music is so powerful. Dancehall, reggae music, we have seen our artists done it. We have seen Buju Banton done it. We have seen Beenie done it. We have seen a number of them, Sean Paul, Shaggy, Winnie Wonder, Sanchez, Barris Hammond. All these individuals are some great singers. They are some great DJs. Busy Signal, how could I forget the Busy himself? I Don't Massacre. All these are great international stars. Popcorn, Vibes Cartel, Tommy Lee Sparta, top premier figures dance, all these I'm calling. These individuals have set their name out there, and it's only a matter of time before our music is wiped totally off the charts. However, we can't let that happen, and we have seen how our music has been shoved aside from time to time, and we really need to start think about ways and means of putting our music out there in a professional way and on the international platform some more, because they are against our music and they're trying their best to see what they can do with it. So we just have to just think about that and try our very best to see how our music can go out there more. I'm out for now. Links TV, bless.